G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell. This is the video installation guide for our Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Toyota RAV4 Generation 3. So these cars, millions and millions of them were made all around the world. Great little reliable car, but having a fire extinguisher inside your car is a real good safety feature. Just in case of any of those minor accidents, maybe even got a grass fire or a collision where something ignites. You just want to have a fire extinguisher close at hand. In the video today, we're going to be installing this 1 kilo single latch extinguisher sold on our website. However, you can use any extinguisher. Just make sure you use one with a metal cage, as you can see here with this little metal band. That way it can't come loose in case of a crash. So let's go install it. The tools required to install the fire extinguisher bracket is a ratchet, I use a little extension piece, and a 14mm socket, and two 8mm spanners. The 8mm spanners are so that you can attach the M5 nuts and bolts. They come with the bracket, and that is used to attach to the fire extinguisher cage. So all you do, you get your bolt, your socket, and you remove the two front seat bolts here on the car. Remove them, and let's go to our next stage. Start by removing those two front seat bolts. I always then install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, just so it's a little bit easier. And then with your two 8mm socket, and then with your two 8mm spanners, tighten them all up. Once you've attached the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, then simply reinstall it and put your factory bolts back in. And always do the bolts up by hand so that you never cross thread them. Then tighten them up with your socket. Once all the bolts are tightened up, then install the extinguisher into its cage. Clip it up and put its safety pin in. Now, I always just put a little bit of electrical tape over these just to stop that rattling from happening. But as you can see, it's all installed and it looks really great. Now, as you can see, it's all fully installed into this beautiful little RAV4, and also you still have the ability to move the seat over the top, so it doesn't interfere with the movement of the seat. So as we mentioned before, these are a great little safety device. It's not going to stop a massive bushfire, but most fires, they will only start quite small. For instance, if you have a little crash, if there's a little bit of fuel or a little bit of oil or something ignites, having your fire extinguisher so easy to grab and quick allows you to get that fire out before it is really, really big. So it's a really great little safety feature. Not just that, but you know, maybe you're driving along off-road and you get a bit of grass caught up underneath the chassis and a little bit of a grass fire happens because of the exhaust or the catalytic converter. This is a really great way to save your car without losing your whole vehicle. So check out the rest of our website for all our other brackets that we make. This is located on our website at Kap Industries. Thank you so much.